I chose EHOVE because I had some family members come to EHOVE and absolutely loved it. I love the affordability of EHOVE and how close it was to my house. At EHOVE's cosmetology program, we learn a lot, really unique and awesome highlighting techniques, some balayage, point cutting, and different techniques for hair cutting, even some really cool manicure techniques. What are you ladies doing?
A haircut.
You're certified as a cosmetologist, so you can do a wide range of different services with that. We have a 100% pass rate, and that's another reason why I chose to come to EHOVE. It makes me feel confident in myself and in the program.
These are our instructors, Whitney and Deb.
We have a great class.
When you graduate EHOVE, you have a lot of different career choices. You can go work at a full-service salon, you can go work at a waxing center, you could do facials, things like wedding looks. Yeah, you can open up your own salon. You can even go to your own salon suite if you get enough experience on your own. You should come to EHOVE because it's affordable and a great experience. Your future, your career.